Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. Today is December the 3rd and the chart of the day for today is the Russell 2000 ETF called IWM. This is a 45-minute short-term time frame here. So you can see we are now correcting in this wave 2 pullback with bullish bias. Now it's only turning up because we still have not broken above that previous peak wave 3 here. So if I copy this and look at the daily time frame, here is the 4 and this should be your wave 3 over here. Okay, so we have not broken above wave 3 yet. That's why in the shorter cycle the arrow is still turning up. It's not green yet. However, looking at the structure of the rally here, it does kind of look impulsive here. So that means bias still remains higher even though we don't have the confirmation breaking above wave 3 yet. Technically speaking, until it breaks above wave 3, we can always do what we call a double correction like this. But since this rally looks impulsive, bias is higher as long as we stay above that previous low wave 4. And currently looking for pullback to correct this cycle, wave 2, right? Wave 2 of 5 should be in 3 swing or in 7 swing. Currently it's already 3 swings down. The first leg of the correction potentially can see support here at the 100% extension right here. Okay, so from this area we could potentially see a rally. Now there are a couple of different possibilities that I will let you know, explain here. This is just one possible way to correct this rally. The key idea here is not so much that the short term has to be exactly like this, but the key idea, the key takeaway is that as long as we stay above 228, we like it higher. Now, there are a couple of different ways we can do that, which is still the same conclusion. As long as we stay above 228, we like it higher. Now, one possible way is what we are showing. Another possible way is this 3 pullback ended with 2 immediately. So you just upgrade this to the red, ABC, and then finish with 2 over there, and then start to rally higher immediately without having to do another leg down again. That's the second way. And then the third way is doing a deeper correction. Now a deeper correction, instead of ABC, this could be 1, 2, right? This could be 1, 2, and then with 3 could in fact be extending to 1.618 because that's what with 3 usually is doing. So this can actually go all the way down to 1.618. So that if you're trying to buy here, you get stopped out. For example, if you put your stop loss 1.618, so it could be doing this, like this, right? And this is your 3, and this is your 4, and this is your 5, and that will be ending with A because it's a 5 waves, and then you will get a bigger rally in 3 waves with B, right? And then you got another leg down with C to finish with 2 here, then it rallies higher, right? So 3 possible options that I'm presenting. One is what we're showing before, another way is here, and then the third way ending 3 with pullback here with 2 and then higher. All 3 options suggest that as long as we stay above 228, eventually we like it higher. Okay, with this one currently as what we are showing as the primary view, but again be mindful about the other 2 options there that will lead the same conclusion. As long as we stay above 228, we like it higher. All right, so that is the idea here, guys, for today. In terms of target on the upside, well, and just wait until wave 2 completes, either using this way or the other 2 ways. Then when it rallies, break above 1 again, then you can start measuring the extension like this, 1, 2, 3. Let's say let's assume 2 ended here, then you're going to be aiming for 262, which is the 100% extension of this 1, 2, assuming to end here, and 3, 100% extension is the minimum target on the upside. Now once it breaks above 1 again, that will confirm 2 is already done, and then you can start measuring 100% extension as the next target on the upside. Alright, so if you want to get more updates on the IWM or any other ETF, stock, indices, Forex, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. You can use the link in the description of the video, or else you can also take advantage of the Cyber Week promotion where you can get some discount to subscribe one of our plans. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.